Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing that you've earned money while you were sleeping.
No boss, no overtime, no extra shifts. Just income arriving because of something you built on the side.
Sounds amazing, right? But here's the surprising part. Thousands of ordinary people are already doing exactly that.
They're students, office workers, freelancers, content creators, and even people with full-time jobs. The secret? They have a side hustle. And in 2026, side hustles are more powerful than ever. Thanks to AI, the internet, and global platforms, one person can now reach millions of customers from a laptop or smartphone.
So today, we're counting down 10 side hustles that could potentially make around $1,000 per month or more. Let's begin.
Number 10. Print on demand. Imagine designing a simple t-shirt, uploading the design online, and every time someone buys it, a company prints and ships it automatically. You never touch inventory, you don't need a warehouse.
Some creators make only a few dollars. Others build entire brands. The key is finding designs that connect with a specific audience.
Number 9. Selling digital products. A digital product is something that can be sold repeatedly without being recreated each time. Examples include templates, ebooks, Notion planners, study guides, spreadsheets. The beauty of digital products is scalability. Create once, sell many times. Unlike physical products, there are no shipping costs, no inventory, and no manufacturing expenses.
Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online side hustles.
Here's how it works. You recommend products or services. If someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. Many creators use blogs, YouTube videos, websites, and social media content to attract buyers. The best affiliate marketers focus on helping people solve problems rather than simply selling. Trust is everything. Number 7. Freelance video editing. Video content continues to dominate the internet. Businesses need videos, influencers need videos, brands need videos, and many people don't know how to edit. That's where freelance editors come in. Even beginner editors can find opportunities. As skills improve, rates often increase significantly. A few clients can potentially generate consistent monthly income.
Number 6. AI content services. Artificial intelligence has created entirely new opportunities.
Businesses need help with AI-generated content, scripts, research, image creation, social media planning.
The people making money aren't necessarily building AI tools. They're helping others use them effectively.
Learning AI skills today could create opportunities for years to come. Number 5. Online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, someone is willing to learn it. Math, English, science, programming, music. The internet allows tutors to teach students from anywhere in the world. A few hours each week can potentially turn into meaningful extra income.
Number 4. YouTube automation and faceless channels. You can run a channel without showing your face, entirely automating the content.
Many successful channels never show a face. Instead, they focus on storytelling.
Facts, finance, technology, and history, and educational content.
With AI tools assisting research and production, creating content has become faster than ever.
This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business.
Number 3. Selling skills on freelance platforms. Graphic design, writing, voiceovers, coding.
The internet has created a global marketplace for skills. The better your portfolio becomes, a client in another country can hire you within minutes. Easier it often becomes to attract higher-paying projects. This is number 2. He's starting a niche newsletter. He writes about very specific things. And now, his audience is growing. Most people think newsletters are old-fashioned. They're wrong. Some newsletters earn money through sponsorships, advertising, premium memberships, and affiliate partnerships. The secret is choosing a niche people care about.
Technology, business, artificial intelligence, investing,
Sports, health, or entertainment. A loyal audience can become incredibly valuable. And now?
Number 1. Building a YouTube channel. It takes consistency, engaging content, and a lot of passion.
This might be the most powerful side hustle on the list. Why?
Because one video can continue generating views for years. One audience can create multiple income streams. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate commissions, digital products, memberships, merchandise, and more. Many successful creators started with nothing more than a phone and an idea.
But here's what most people don't realize. The real value of YouTube isn't the ad revenue, it's the audience.
An audience is one of the most valuable assets you can build online. Now let's talk about reality.
Can every side hustle make you $1,000 per month? Not immediately, and not for everyone.
Some people quit too soon. Some choose the wrong strategy. And some never start at all.
Success usually requires time, learning, experimentation, and consistency.
Most side hustles fail for one simple reason. People expect results before they've built skills.
Imagine going to the gym for 1 week expecting a perfect physique. It doesn't work that way. The same applies to business. The same applies to content creation. Results often arrive after months of effort.
Let's imagine two people. Person A spends every evening scrolling social media. Person B spends 1 hour each evening building a skill. After 1 week, the difference is tiny.
After 1 month, it's noticeable. After 1 year, the gap could be life-changing. That's the power of consistent effort. Most people underestimate what they can accomplish in 5 years and overestimate what they can accomplish in 5 days.
The internet has created opportunities previous generations never had. You can learn almost any skill online, reach a global audience, build a business, create content, sell products, and connect with customers from around the world, all from a device that fits in your pocket. That's incredible when you think about it. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start a side hustle, this might be your sign. You don't need to know everything. You don't need permission. You simply need to begin. Because every successful business,
Every successful creator and every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are now.
So here's my question for you. If you had to start one side hustle today,
which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments.
and if you enjoy videos about money, business, YouTube, AI, and financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe for more.